Welcome to our self-improvement exploration. Today, we're delving into the secret ways to improve yourself. Whether you're looking to boost your career, enhance personal relationships, or just feel better about yourself, I've got you covered with practical, actionable steps. Let's get started. Step 1 is self-awareness. Knowing yourself is the foundation of all personal growth. Take some time to reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, values, and goals. Start a journal. Write about your day, your feelings, and your experiences. This simple habit can uncover patterns and insights about your behavior and emotions. Reflect on your experiences daily. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Set personal goals based on your values. Step 2 is setting SMART goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to get fit," say, "I will exercise for 30 minutes, 5 days a week, for the next 3 months." Specific, what exactly do you want to achieve? Measurable, how will you track your progress? Achievable, is this goal realistic? Relevant, does this goal align with your values? Time-bound, what is your deadline? Step 3 is continuous learning. Never stop acquiring knowledge and skills. Read books, take online courses, attend workshops, and stay curious. The world is full of resources. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy and many other platforms offer countless opportunities. The internet itself is a universal university where you can learn every day. Dedicate time each day for learning. Explore different subjects. Apply what you learn in your daily activities. Step 4 is building healthy habits. Your daily habits significantly impact your overall well-being. Focus on nutrition, exercise, and sleep. Start small. Add one healthy habit at a time. Maybe begin with drinking more water, taking a daily walk, or establishing a bedtime routine. Eat balanced meals. Exercise regularly. Get enough sleep. Step 5 is practicing gratitude. Acknowledge and appreciate the good in your life. This can improve your mood and overall outlook. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be big or small. Over time, you'll notice a shift in your perspective. Keep a gratitude journal. Express appreciation to others. Reflect on positive experiences. Step 6 is developing resilience. Life is full of ups and downs, and building resilience helps you bounce back from challenges. Practice mindfulness and stress management techniques. Surround yourself with a support system and maintain a positive outlook. Practice mindfulness. Build a support network. Maintain a positive mindset. Step 7 is connecting with others. Building and maintaining strong relationships is crucial for personal growth and happiness. Volunteer, join useful and valuable clubs, and spend time with loved ones. Genuine connections enrich your life and provide support during tough times. Spend quality time with loved ones. Join community groups. Volunteer and give back. Step 8, taking action. Finally, Step 8 is taking action. All the knowledge and planning in the world won't help unless you put it into practice. Break your goals into small, manageable steps and start taking action today. Consistency is key. Break goals into small tasks. Stay consistent. Celebrate your progress. Remember, self-improvement is a continuous process. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and keep striving for growth. Thank you for joining on this sacred expedition. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more self-improvement content. Until next time, stay motivated and keep improving.